Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to share any and all things that bring me joy, hence the name Sharelation. First of all, I want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope you've all had a chance to take a break over the past week or so to just be with your friends and family, to celebrate the holidays, and look forward to a great year ahead. I'm sure we can all use a break from all the news that has been going on with COVID and now this new variant. I hope everyone stays happy and healthy. You can probably tell from my voice, it is a little bit not like it normally is. I've suffered a pretty bad cold and a flu for the past couple of weeks. Luckily, I did not get COVID, but I've been out of commission for a little bit and really trying to push through and get better so I can continue to shoot some nice content for you all. And thank you for all the new subscribers that have joined my channel. I really appreciate it. So today's video is somewhat of a different one. It's focused around toothbrushes. So one resolution that I have for myself this year is to take better care of myself. And one thing that I'm always very conscious of are my teeth. Brushing properly. I always teach my kids that, just to make sure that they have good dental hygiene and take care of their teeth as best as possible. So I have a couple of different brands of toothbrushes that I wanted to share with you, and maybe try to do a little demo if this will work. I haven't tried it, and this will be what I'm shooting right on this video just to show you. So the background is a little darker just to show the toothbrush a little bit better. So we'll start with the center. So these three brushes in the middle are new. This one is a classic like Oral-B toothbrush. It is for an adult size. You can see the bristles kind of go up and down like that. And I would say it's good for normal use. It is a little bit rough, even though it says it's soft bristles. So you can see when I brush it against my skin, it's really hard to show, but just to explain to you, although it says it's soft bristles, it is a little bit rough. My local dentist has recommended that I use this toothbrush, and this one is called the Nimbus Compact Toothbrush. So here's the brand. It's called Nimbus, Nimbus. Here it is again. It's called the Microfine Compact Toothbrush. So I'm not going to take this out of the package, but I want to show you what it looks like new. And this shows as an extra soft micro bristles. And I really attest, I've been using this for the past 2 years per my dentist's recommendation. And you can actually order it from Amazon, or they actually have a website right here. This one here is a Nimbus toothbrush. It's old. I'm not using it anymore, but I wanted to show you a little bit closer up that the bristles are very, very fine. And it does have a bit of a curve as well. And when I brush it against my skin, it is a lot finer and smoother to the touch. Now, I don't know if this will really make a difference, but I have some foundation here just to show with a little bit of color. When you're brushing, of course, toothpaste is not so liquidy, but I'm hoping to be able to show you how fine these bristles are. So this is an old toothbrush again. So if I'm brushing this on my skin, you can see it has a pretty smooth finish to it. It does spread very evenly. Now, I'm not going to try it on the Oral-B, but you can see that the bristles, if you compare it, although this one is new, this one is old, you can see that the bristles are not as fine on the Oral-B versus this one. So I really don't know if this is a good way to show it, but I really do think these toothbrushes are good. You can really feel all the little tiny bristles go in between your teeth and clean it. Here's another one called Dr. Plotkas. This also says it's a soft brush. And what else does it say that's different? It's adult size. This one is a kid size, which my kids recently finished using. So I'm also going to do a similar demo here. Let's see. It really doesn't say a whole lot that's different, but it does say it's also soft bristles, but it doesn't say that it's micro fine versus the Nimbus. So I'm going to try it again here. Sorry about my voice. I really didn't want to skip any videos, so I'm trying to really power through. Hopefully it's coming out okay. Okay, so this is, again, an old toothbrush from Dr. Plotka, but this is the kid size. So if I brush it on like this, you can see that it does spread similarly, but you see these streaks over here? It's not as fine, and actually I feel like it's a little rougher than this, because this is like sort of like a paintbrush, where when it's brushing on your skin, it feels very smooth and very comfortable. But this one, it feels a little bit rougher, and you can even see the streaks that it leaves on my skin. So this was the best way I could think of showing it to you and demoing it to you, other than actually brushing my teeth and showing it to you, because that's hard to show too. So I highly recommend that you try this Nimbus toothbrush. My family and I all use these brushes now. They are available on Amazon, like I said, but it's a little bit pricier than other toothbrushes, but not by a whole lot. I really think it's worth trying. Again, it's called the Nimbus Compact Size. They have different sizes as well, but for myself and my kids, we all use this compact size, which seems to work very well. They have a regular size, but you can see the difference is really just a bigger brush. So give this a shot. If you have issues with brushing or having your kids brush well, this toothbrush can probably help you get into those nooks and crannies in your teeth, and of course be able to brush closer to your gums to be able to clean it very well. So again, Nimbus toothbrush right here, and I'll provide a link down below to the ones I order from Amazon. Of course, I don't get any commission with any of this, but I really wanted to share this with you because it has really changed my dental hygiene a lot. So that's pretty much it for me. I hope you share, like, and subscribe, and continue to give me any feedback on what you'd like to see me post on my channel. Again, I want to feature anything that works for me, that brings me joy, that I think it's worth for you to try, and that's really the goal of my channel. And I hope that I can continue to do that for you and give you good content and information. Thanks again. Bye.